Hello everybody, welcome back to Gap Languages. In today's video, we are sharing a story, and this story is a woman who goes to the marketplace and she wants to buy some fresh fruits. But unfortunately, there is a problem, the salesperson, in the beginning he seems to be very nice and kind. He says, "Please come and buy my fruits. I have some fresh fruits." And the woman says, "Okay, I'll buy some fresh fruits." So, and then there's a boy, he's always watching the man, he sells like rotten fruits and fruits that are not fresh. And the boy reveals everything and says, "Oh, this man is a cheater and he is cheating and he's tricking you by selling some rotten fruits." Okay, we're going to discover this thing in Farsi. So we're going to go with the first picture. So bear with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the picture or explain this story. At the same time, I speak in English. Okay. میوه فروش دروغگوی میوه فروش دروغگوی دروغگوی is a person who's dishonest. میوه فروش دروغگوی در تصویر اول میبینیم in the first picture we see در تصویر اول میبینیم یک خانم به بازار میره یک خانم به بازار میره. A woman goes to the marketplace. بازار is marketplace. It's like bazaar, not bazaar, not it is bazaar. Okay. یک خانم به بازار میره و میخواه میوه تازه بخره. میخواه is like wants. میخواه میوه تازه بخره. If I say I want, ما میخوایم. ما میخوایم. If it is you as an informal, تو میخوایی. If it is شما as in you, شما میوه میخرین. How we are conjugating here? او میخواه میوه بخره. ما میخوایم میوه بخرم. شما میخواین میوه بخرین. تو میخوایی میوه بخری. اونا میخواین میوه بخرن. ما میخوایم میوه بخرین. You see how I'm conjugating each infinitives. Okay. این خانم به بازار میره و میخواه میوه تازه بخره. Okay. و میوه فروش میگه in the salesperson where the fruits seller says بیاین ما میوه تازه دارم. ما میوه تازه دارم یا میوه تازه آوردیم. I brought fresh fruits or I have fresh fruits. و خانم میگه and the woman says برای ما 2 کیلو سیب بتین. 2 کیلو سیب بتین. Give me 2 kilos of apples. Okay. میوه فروش میگه بسیار خوب ما براتون میوه تازه میتون. و شما and then he says و شما دیگه میوه را ببینین. دیگه میوه را ببینیم. See some other or go through some other fruits and like he's asking check some other fruits. و در تصویر دوم میبینیم in the second picture we see خانم متوجه نمیشه. خانم یا ای خانم this woman or this lady is not aware. متوجه نمیشه is not aware or doesn't pay attention or like he's unaware. متوجه نمیشه که او مرد یعنی میوه فروش the salesperson میوه خرابه در پلاستیک مندازه. میوه خرابه در پلاستیک مندازه. یعنی he puts the rotten fruits in a plastic or in a bag. او میوه خرابه از داخل بیلر میگیره. او میوه خرابه از داخل بیلر میگیره. He grabs or he takes the rotten fruit from the barrel. Okay, you guys say barrel, we say بیلر. از داخل بیلر میوه خرابه میگیره و خانم متوجه نمیشه. And the woman doesn't pay attention or she's not aware. متوجه نمیشه. خب و در تصویر دیگه در تصویر سوم in the third picture یک بچه میایه. A boy comes or shows up. میایه is like comes or shows up. و میگه and says oh خاله. oh خاله is like auntie. خاله این مردکه دروغگوی است. این میوه فروش صادق نیست. He's dishonest. He's not honest. صادق نیست. صادق is honest. این میوه فروش صادق نیست. ای میوه فروش صادق نیست. he's not honest. و خاله میگه صبر wait stop صبر من نمیخوایم. So the first one is میخواه, then then the first picture we say میخواه and this one is نمیخواه. خانم میگه من نمیخوایم میوه از تو بگیرم. من نمیخوایم از تو میوه بگیرم. I don't want to buy fruits from you. نمیخوایم میوه از تو بگیرم. و مردکه in the third picture در تصویر سوم بسیار ورخطا میشه. He is panicked or he's worried. And the last picture در تصویر دوم میبینیم مردکه شرمنده میشه. مردکه یا میوه فروش شرمنده میشه. He is embarrassed. He become embarrassed literally. او شرمنده میشه. و خانم و ای بچه از اونجا میرن. اونا میرن. So they walk away. میرن is they walk away. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I mean the story we had for today. Hopefully you liked the video. And also we have online classes. If you guys are wanting to study with us, we have a lot of materials. We have Dari syllabus, and we have private videos we share with our students. If you are wanting to study with us, please go ahead and check on our website at www.gaplanguage.com. You can book your slots over there, and we also have trained and experienced tutors who've been teaching Afghan local languages for almost a decade. So yeah, anyhow, so take care everybody. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.